Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I finally got a new microphone. I hope it actually works. I don't know how to use this. Anyways, my channel is about like algo trading and a lot of real applications with especially interactive brokers. I'm gonna try to stick to. I'm going to stick, not try. I'm going to stick to a 3 day a week schedule minimum, where I have to have like on Sundays a machine learning video or artificial intelligence video that doesn't need live market data when the market is closed. On Tuesday, I'll have something 100% interactive brokers. And on Thursday, I'm going to have something related to options. And a lot of them, I'll try to tie them in as much as possible to real algo trading and market data. And then in addition to that, I'll add videos on various, like anything else, real life journeys, real failures, that sort of thing. I'll add a lot of those things. And please, like, give me suggestions for things you guys want to see if you're interested in like certain strategies, that sort of thing. I'll be happy to do it if I have time. And I just wanted to say, one more thing is maybe in the future I'll do things for other brokers too. Like I do all my videos for interactive brokers, but like Charles Schwab, when they eventually get like a API, I would love to do it for them, just because their customer service is a trillion times better than interactive brokers. So like I kind of feel bad because interactive brokers, it's almost impossible to get someone to talk to you. The chat takes a year, no one ever shows up. But with Schwab, it's like 1 second and people come to you. And so I wish they could get their API up and running. But for now, I'm going to stick to these 3 topics. I do love interactive brokers. I just think they need to work a little bit on their customer service. And hopefully you guys enjoy my videos. If you enjoy them, please like and subscribe. Ask me any question. Thank you so much.